Howdy, howdy. Here we are back on the Mustang. We're going to be working on the interior today. Finishing that up. And we probably won't be getting to the body today because we got to do some detail work. Anyway, here's the dashboard. I went ahead and did some detail painting work in it. Had to do it off camera. It was very close work. There was no way I could film it. But we are going to detail this though once we get it on there. First, we are going to put some glue on the back of it. We don't want too much glue. There's that. Pick it up without getting glue on my fingers. And drop it in there. Let's get that out here. There it is. Push that down a little more. Hold it tight. Let that glue really do its job. All right. There is the instrument panel. Now, I'm going to let this dry for a little bit. And then, would you stay focused? We are going to come back and detail that real quick. First time I'm going to try this new technique, so hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. Would you stay focused? Jeez, focus. Well, anyway, I'll be back. All right, let's try this little detail work. What I'm going to use is this stuff right here. It's called Panel Line Accent Color. Basically, it's a very thinned down black paint. And you're supposed to just take it and here's the before. It's all silver. Just drop it in there. And I kind of got to get close for this. But it fills in, it follows lines. It brings out a little more detail. Got this to, actually, I think I'm going to leave it alone. It looks pretty good, actually. Now, if it will focus, let's see. Focus. Oh, you can see a little more detail in it. I would like a little more on the left side, though. Let's see if I can't get that done. That's just about as good as it's going to get. Now, supposedly you can take this stuff, put it in the seat grooves, and it'll highlight the grooves, but this is pearl white, and I don't want to take that chance and ruin it right now. But as you can see, I detailed the ashtrays in the back, the window cranks, pedals, all that stuff. But that looks pretty good. Alrighty, I'll be back. I forgot to turn the camera on, but I just added the other gauge cluster. That was a little tedious, but it's there. It looks easy, but it's a very small part, and my fingers had a hard time holding on to that very small part and getting it in place. But it's there, so let's let this glue dry and we'll put the steering column on. Okay, we're going to do this the easy way. I went to test fit the column onto the dashboard, and that is going to be a little harder than I expected. So let's glue the column on the steering wheel instead. A little more glue, please. A little bit on this side. There. Yeah, let's set this on there. Oh, no. There we go. Yeah. Much better fit now. Let's make sure I got this lined up right. Looks like it is. Well, let me make sure on the dashboard though. The turn signal is actually supposed to be horizontal to the bottom of the dash. And it looks like it will be. A little bit more. Now, I'm going to let that get good and dry before I go messing with it anymore. And then we'll put the steering wheel on the dash. We'll be back. Okay, let's get this steering wheel on this dash. My apologies if you hear any wind blowing. Both air conditioners are going. It is 113 degrees out there right now. So, yeah, I got to run both ACs today. I actually thought about firing the third one up today. Just to cycle it, though, not because it's needed. I'm going to get, this is a smaller brush. I'm going to get it in that. There we go. Get in that hole really good. Then I'm going to add a drop of this on it. And we're going to glue it onto the dashboard and hold it. Now this one it's kind of wobbly, so I want to get it. There we go. Get that. Looks like the turn signal's lined up where it needs to be. Trying to get it lined up where it's all level and everything. It's not crooked looking. We don't want a crooked steering wheel. Oh, it's getting loose. You ever drive a vehicle with a crooked steering wheel? It's a pain in the butt. I have driven one with a loose steering column. I think that's it. Oh, and we went with pearl on the steering wheel to match the interior. But there, I'm going to let that sit there and dry for a minute before we get to moving it around. But it looks like we have a completed dashboard. We'll be back here in a minute. Maybe 2, maybe 3. Who knows? Now, we'll be back in a minute. Let this get good and set up. Okie dokie. Let's put the dash in the interior. Now, we're not going to glue it in right now, and I'll show you why here in a minute. But let's get it lined up. It's got little slots it slides in. But those slots are bigger than the tabs. See the gap? and it does this. So I don't want to glue it in place right now until it goes into the body. So that way I get the proper angle on the dash to the windshield. Just got popped out, but we're going to leave it in there so we know where it is. But this, I pop back out. Get in there. Stay. But there is the completed, and as far as I know, it's completed. Yeah, it's completed. I have the instructions in front of me. But there's the completed dash in the completed interior. I got to get a white pen and kind of touch up around the pedals yet, but I don't know why, but most Mustangs had black dashboards and colored interiors. So we went that route. And we also matched the steering wheel to the interior. But the next step is actually to glue this up into the body, but the body is not painted yet. So that's going to be on the next project. I've got to get this panel and this panel and the hood. Cut all this out, sand it down a little bit, which is there's like right here, a little bit of, come on, focus. A little bit of flashing right around the edges. We'll get that taken care of. Get it trimmed up, sanded up. I don't know if I'm going to do the emblems. We'll see. I may just go ahead and put them the color of the body. It is a custom paint job, so flashing right there. Get that off there. But this that'll be on the next step. And then it's all the undercarriage, put the engine in, and this thing is almost done, even though it doesn't look like it. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Enjoy your day. Later on.
Real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoe.